In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make stunning infographics in one click using Gemini AI. By the end, you'll know how to open your Gemini account, load the information you want to visualize, and craft a single prompt that turns your content into a polished infographic. Start by signing into your Gemini account on your computer or phone with a reliable internet connection. If you're working with sensitive material, remove personal details and make sure you have permission to use the content. Preparing a clean, permission-approved dataset keeps the process smooth and secure from the start. Next, look for the plus icon inside Gemini and add the file you want to visualize. This can be a document, spreadsheet, PDF, or a plain text file. Choose the version that's clearest and most accurate. Good formatting helps Gemini understand your content. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and simple tables, and delete any extra fluff you don't want in the infographic. The more focused your file is, the more focused your infographic will be. Now write your prompt. In the chat box, reference the file you added and give one direct instruction. For example, create a stunning infographic from this information. In the same message, add brief guidance so Gemini matches your vision. Mention the audience and style, such as for a social media post, modern and minimal, with bold headings, a clean color palette, and concise data callouts. If your content includes numbers, say you'd like charts, icons, or highlighted stats. You can also propose a simple structure, a strong title, 3 to 5 key sections, and a short takeaway at the end. Keep the language plain and specific. Gemini responds best to clear instructions. After you send the prompt, wait while Gemini processes the file. Larger documents may take a bit longer, which is normal. When it's done, you'll receive a result based on your file and guidance. Because your prompt asked for a stunning infographic from the provided information, Gemini will organize key points, highlight important data, and present a clean visual layout that's easy to read and ready to share. That's the entire workflow. Open your Gemini account, click the plus icon to locate your file, write one clear prompt to create a stunning infographic from that information, and wait as Gemini generates the result. With this simple approach, your ideas become eye-catching visuals in just one click.